Put baking soda on your neck and watch how this simple DIY mixture comes together. If your neck looks dull, rough, or uneven, this homemade blend combines a few everyday ingredients into a simple, exfoliating and moisturizing routine. Stay with me, because I'll show you every step from preparing the mixture to applying it gently and revealing the finished look. Start with a small, clean bowl. We're going to build this mixture one ingredient at a time, so each component can be evenly incorporated into the final blend. The goal is to create a smooth, spreadable mixture that can be applied gently to the neck. First, add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Baking soda gives the mixture a fine, powdery texture that can provide gentle physical exfoliation. When used carefully, it can help loosen surface residue and leave the skin feeling refreshed. Next, add 1 teaspoon of fine salt. Salt adds another mild, exfoliating texture to the mixture, helping with the removal of surface debris during gentle massage. Now add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. This brings a conditioning element to the mixture. Coconut oil helps provide a smoother, more emollient feel, making the blend easier to spread across the skin. It also helps balance the dry, powdery texture of the baking soda and salt. Now take 1 fresh lemon and squeeze it into the bowl. The lemon juice adds acidity to the mixture and gives it a fresh, bright feel. However, lemon juice can be irritating for some people and may increase sensitivity to sunlight. Now add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar to the mixture. White vinegar adds an acidic element to the blend and can help break down surface residue, while also giving the mixture a lighter, more fluid consistency. Add it gradually and mix thoroughly so it combines evenly with the other ingredients. Take a clean spoon and begin mixing everything thoroughly. Keep stirring until the baking soda, salt, coconut oil, lemon juice, and vitamin E are well combined and form a consistent mixture. Don't rush this step. We want the ingredients distributed evenly so the texture remains consistent when it is applied. And there it is, a simple homemade exfoliating and conditioning mixture, ready for the next step. Now take a close look at the neck before application. The skin may appear darker, duller, or uneven in tone compared with the surrounding areas. But keep in mind that darker skin on the neck can have many different causes, so a DIY mixture should not be presented as a treatment for an underlying skin condition. For this routine, we're focusing on gentle cleansing, exfoliation, and conditioning. Now take a small amount of the mixture and gently spread it over the neck. Use your fingertips to distribute it evenly across the front and sides of the neck. There's no need to apply heavy pressure. A thin, even layer is enough. Once the mixture is applied, use your fingertips to massage the neck in small, gentle circular motions. This massage helps distribute the mixture evenly while the baking soda and salt provide the exfoliating texture. Move slowly across the neck rather than repeatedly rubbing the same area. The purpose here is gentle surface exfoliation, not aggressive scrubbing. After the gentle massage, rinse the neck thoroughly with lukewarm water. Make sure all traces of the mixture are removed. Then pat the skin dry with a clean, soft towel instead of rubbing it aggressively. And now, take a look at the neck after the routine. The skin has a cleaner, fresher, and smoother-looking appearance.